Myntri Rangbah Kajala konrat ke sangma hane ke sengi ulang bahaden ke jing rakhi ya ke sengi Leit Lut ke Myntri Rangbah Kajala Assam bat Meghalaya kin salet ban Jngoh lang ya ke Jaka badon ke jing Iakajia put. Habakren mat kinung thok kubor konrat ulang ba ulara ya kan kamat halor ke jing syak thombor ke pat KHASI penar ke basyong basa hablok 1 bat uni Myntri Rangbah ke Assam himanta beswa sarma.
I have taken up this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and he has taken the matter up very seriously. Even as we speak, the Assam government is having a series of meetings on certain incidents and issues that are there pertaining to the border area. And by evening, I will be again in touch with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. But in the meantime, the issues that are coming up in these areas, we are ironing those issues out, and there are some small concerns that have come up regarding some kind of check gates and all, which last time had been brought to my notice by the local political leadership there and some of the public in Kandoli area. That issue also has been taken up by me with the Assam counterpart.